back it down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna find me for my heart, all you gonna get is better.
I've been waiting all day.
I'll put my head.
People doing.
I'll put my head, my leg, and to touch my back. Wait.
Mama, you show him what he's supposed to do, because he's just doing like.
Yeah, show me.
Yeah, I'm putting something around town.
Okay, let me do it.
You need to touch your toes with your head.
Like that?
Jesse, what the hell? What's this,
Like
babe?
this, right?
No, you can't reach your head. Bend your head close to your feet.
Yes, like this.
Jesse, just give up already. You.
Okay, let me do my head.
Oh my God, though.
Let me see.
No.
What about my hand on my head?
Which hand? Is that how she did it?
Yes.
You are manufacturing your own. No.
What if I put my hand on my
No. It's like this. See how I did it.
head? Okay.
See how she did it, Jessie. Can't you see? My flexible daughter. Good
Yeah,
girl.
see mine.
Look at. Oh my God.
Maybe it's because I'm not eating.
Oh, what?
Maybe when I eat, I'll do it.
No.
Okay,
No,
show
come
us.
on, sit down.
Splitting.
Okay.
Very good. Oh yeah, Jessie, do it. Let's see. Hi, Jessie. What the heck are you doing, babe?
Sitting, no.
What?
This is the first step.
What the
No,
hell?
that is sitting, no.
No.
Look at what you're doing. That's sitting.
Mama, do it again. Let him see. Do it again. Let him see.
What?
Let me do my style. My own style is different. I'll do
Split like my daughter. Split. Jessie, what's this?
No.
Oh my God. Jessie, what's Jessie? I bet before you go and break your waist, though. Please, this girl is 4 years old. You are seeing 40 coming
Yeah, I'm
soon.
not eating. Let me eat, then I'll do it.
Let me see.
Let me do it again.
When I eat, my body will expand because I can't do it like that. If I don't eat, my body will not be flexible.
Okay, just drink water.
Me, I think you drink water. Say if you drink water, you go feel split. Oh my God, love won't kill me die. I cannot with the two of you.
Don't worry about it, okay?
Daddy.
I'm very good at it. I just don't want to do it yet.
I'm not good at it.
Mama, Daddy doesn't know how to split. And he doesn't know how to touch his toes with his head, right?
What if I like and tomorrow I'll split?
What about this one?
Maybe what if I practice this line and I
Shake. Shake.
Slide.
Did you do that in
Shake.
school?
Good girl. Let's go.
Slide.
Shake.
Slide.
Shake. Come on, girl. That's my girl. Spin around.
Is that ballet? What's that?
You don't understand, Jessie. You don't understand. Eh? You don't understand. Open. Cross. Open. Cross. Open. Cross. Open.
Why you quiet?
Because she can't understand what the heck you are doing, guy.
I'll do it now. Let me see.
Oh my God. Shake. Slide. Shake.
Slide. Shake.
I I don't know if you guys remember, I got this oil burner in the UK during one of my little shopping sprees. I think I entered the pound shop. What do they call it? They call it the pound store. £1 store or something. But anyways, I saw this oil burner and I've always been wanting to get an oil burner for my home. So I saw this for like £2 and I picked it up and I wrapped it very well and put it in my hand luggage so that I will not hear that it has broken in transit. So I haven't used it, I haven't tried it, but I actually want to try it this morning. So yeah, I actually want to try it this morning. I got it in this very nice aesthetic color. So I have this tea light candle. It's also fragrance. I think this is apple and cinnamon from Dutch. I think I have a pack of 10 that's Dutch gave to me on one of my last birthdays. This actually smells really good. Like the apple and cinnamon is very evident in this. So it's going to be a mixture of like different scents. I'm going to trim this. So I'm going to use this. This is actually like a candle, an old candle cover. I'm going to use this as a coaster because this can get really hot while in use. So I'll just put that there. Tea light candle rather. Yeah, I'm going to place that under. So I'm just going to add some water in the reservoir here. Not a lot because, yeah. I actually have 2 oils from Claire Marcos. This one is the Spicy Fairy. This one has a very spicy scent. And then this is Man of Souk. So I think I will do Man of Souk today. All right.
She said that once I enter, that she has spoken to somebody that they told her that when I come, she should bring me to VIP.
Come on.
That's where you and that party captured.
Yeah,
it was
that
VIP
time, yeah,
that
it was VIP. Straight up. Fine woman. Oh, see her all set and ready to go.
Ready to go.
They missed you. You know all this while I was in London. My subscribers have missed you.
Oh, they missed me.
See as you fine. Aye. Fine woman. What?
It will be this life like this.
You guys, Momsi's a Mohbad fan, like a huge Mohbad fan. I'm telling you, director.
Say me, I know they see. I know they hear.
Come on.
Oh wow. Let it be this one like this. Been through many things.
Momsi loves Mohbad. She didn't know who Mohbad was before he passed.
I didn't know who he was.
But my mom is a huge fan.
Until he passed. God bless his soul.
Amen. Amen. Come on. Lord, I'm sure you didn't laugh there.
There's one I like again. Emi, I'm not better. Come on. Imagine a motor. Yes, you're not auto.
Come on.
Automatic.
I don't even know one lyric. Momsi knows all the
lyrics. Photo. Anything together. On God.
On God. Come on.
Go on.
It's always a pleasure coming to this house and watching you doing your antics. All right, how are you? You're always blocking your face. You wear hot pants. Oh my God.
This my wristwatch now.
I know the one you're wearing.
I brought this one down.
Yeah, leave it now. Leave it here. Mom, you want to climb up again?
This one. Like the enemy when they follow me.
Come on.
They can't know me. Even if I die minutes.
Come on.
Me, I'm a ghetto. That's what you do.
When I go dance this night with that, the mother's night that you're going for.
Automatic. Buy me a photo.
Come on.
I need today. Oh God. That's it. 4:30. Oh God. Oh God. Cut off from that. I need today. Oh God. That's it. 4:30.
See ya, Mama.
Okay, my dear.
Bye, ya.
See ya.
Nice day.
Thank you.
All right.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, all
okay,
right. I'm going to my house.
You have had breakfast.
I've had breakfast.
I'll go and sleep.
I'll go and sleep too. See ya. This one I touched. How many is 1,000?
That one is 1,000. That's
4. You give me from here. You will not give me 5.
It's arranged already.
Give me 5 now.
So where will I even bring that one?
Give me 5, Francis.
Where will I bring?
Give me extra.
How many give
4. Francis, you really put 4 through.
Only one is 500. Okay, like this one follow for the 4. Then this one like this 500. Ayang gida mekyo.
You want to finish all the meat before I put it inside the pot. Now delicious food, right?
It's so yummy, mommy. You cook the best.
Thank you, my sweet girl. You guys, look who we have here. I've been with her all day and I forgot to vlog. Like, that's how much we've been catching up. She's been in my house. Yeah, she's been in my house all day and I just remembered, look, I haven't even told them on the vlog that you are here.
And you know what? Just ransacking through your stuff.
As usual.
Per usual.
Madam Lagos. I used to call her Mommy of Lagos. That she and Bobrisky are sharing the title.
No, Bobrisky's Mommy of Lagos.
Because this girl and Lagos, God, you have not come to Abuja since April. Since April, Melba.
Alma, are you seeing what flight tickets are?
Actually, Sha. Tickets cost.
Are you seeing how much flight tickets are?
Well, finally, you decided to come and grace us with your beautiful presence. Look at this one.
You know the vibes.
So what's up? How's Lagos?
Oh, thank God though. Lagos is Lagos.
Lagos as always. And what brings you to Abuja apart from coming to see us that you forgot and abandoned?
Wedding.
Yeah, guys.
Wedding. Not my wedding because they'll start getting excited now. I said wedding.
I know.
So yeah, not my wedding, guys.
Yeah, but our very close family friend, guys.
Yeah.
Wedding is tomorrow. So Melba is in Abuja for that wedding and also to see us.
Period.
Per.
I'm not a Gen Z.
That Gen Z thing. I beg. I can't even deal.
I'm not a Gen Z.
Anyways, just thought to show you guys Melba. Look at. We've been catching up, gisting, and catching up and gisting again all day.
Yep.
I'm going to enjoy her company for the next couple of days.
Oh yeah.
Before she tells me that she's going back to Lagos. Because she goes back to Lagos now. Before I will see her again, maybe like April next year or something.
First quarter of next year.
Yeah. So that I can see. Can we go home? You want to sleep?
If you can enjoy yourself, my sister. Life is for the living. One life with me.
Look at.
One life with me. Your life is for the living.
Look at. Ah! You have my knockout or anything, though. Hey! Come on. Eh? Come on. Get it. Come on.
Nah.
Eh? Come on. Hey! Come on.